Good morning, fourth grade. I want to go over the problem solving from yesterday. I think it's 9.5 before I turn you loose on your mid-chapter checkpoints. On your own problem solving, it says Marcus saves $13 each week. In how many weeks will he have saved at least $100? So if we stop and think about it, we break 13 into 10 and 3, and he has to get at least $100. Well, 8 times 10 is $80, and 3 times 8 is $24. So 80 plus 24 is 104. So it takes him 8 weeks to get to $100. Now, how I first thought of it was if it was $10 a week, it would be 10 weeks. But we have that extra $3 a week. So if you think about 3 times 8 being 24 and add that to the 80, that's how I came to 104. Next one says Hoshi has $50. Emily has 23 more than Hoshi. And Carl has 16 less than Emily. How much money do they have all together? Well, we have to first figure out how much each one of them has. So we know Hoshi has $50. So I put H equals 50. Hoshi has 50. Emily has 23 more than Hoshi. So E, or Emily, equals 23 plus 50, which is 73. And then it goes on to say Carl has 16 less than Emily. So Carl equals 73 minus 16, which is $57. But our question is how much money do they have all together? So then I have to add Hoshi's 50, Emily's 73, and Carl's 57. And when you add 50, 73, and 57, you get 180. So they have $180 altogether. In your right math, 4 girls have $5 to share equally. How much money will they each get? Each will get $1.25. Each will get $1 of the 5, which will leave $1 left. Change the $1 to 4 quarters, and each one will get a quarter. Number 7 says, what if 4 girls want to share $5.52 equally? How much money will each girl get? Each girl will get $1.38 because the last bill has to be changed into quarters, kind of like the one we did before. On your test prep, which does not represent the value of 3 quarters and 3 dimes? Well, 3 quarters is 75 cents plus 3 dimes. So I have to count 75, 85, 95, $1.05. So A is $1.05. That represents it perfectly. B is 1 over 5 over 100. That is exactly 1.05. Now D is 1.05, and they don't use the dollar sign, they use the word dollars, so that represents it. But if you look at C, it's 1 and 5 over 10, which is actually 1.50 cents. So our answer is C. Now today you are on your mid-chapter checkpoint, so go ahead and do both sides of your mid-chapter checkpoints. Take your time on it. Tomorrow's lesson we will go over this, and then we will do 9.6 as well. Thank you.